Good morning, we're at New again. We've got a BMW 5 Series 2012 for our water leak procedure. So I'm just going to show you what we've found. It is a very common problem on the 5 Series. So the front scuttle area gets blocked, and what it then does is it fills up this pocket. The problem is on the passenger side, when they're designing the cars, if it's going to be a left-hand drive or a right-hand drive, they put a plug in. And it's like a blanking plate, and as we can see up here, this is the blanking plate. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a bit of water down on the front scuttle area, so just simulating it's out in the rain. So we'll put loads of water down the front here, and if we then jump inside the car, then what that should then show us, okay, so we've got a run of water coming down past that plug, and then it runs down, and as you can see it's going over the electric cables, as well as in the bottom of the gully we've got water here, and what that does is obviously it will go all the way to the back of the car. If we just jump in the back, I haven't lifted the carpet up yet, but we should. So if I dry my hands and push down on the underlay, so we can see that it's very wet. So obviously we're going to have to take the seat out, lift the carpet up, dry it all out, and then we're going to put a new blanking plug in, and obviously de-block the front scuttle area as well and make sure that's all running freely. But other than that, that's all we can find on this one here. So there we go.